If you're putting your money in equities and investing in stocks without reading the financial statements or the balance sheets of those companies, you're not really investing, you're engaging in entertainment and gambling. Either you could take the mutual fund route if you don't really have the time to understand which companies are doing well, which industries are doing well, and trust your fund manager to be able to do that job on your behalf. Or you should understand that investing in equities and stocks is a long-term investment, and you should be doing it actively by downloading the financial statements of these companies from either their websites, it's a public document, or you could extract financial statements from websites such as moneycontrol.com. Open those annual reports, look at the financial ratios, look at the growth of the sales turnover of the company, look at the profitability, try to analyze how they are doing in comparison to the industry. You can also find out the industry growth rates and the trajectory of the industry by doing a simple Google search. So that data is publicly available for you. You should try and plot that in an Excel file and try doing that analysis at least on a 6-month basis, if not on an annual basis. Know what is your portfolio, diversify into various types of industries and stocks. An understanding of where you're putting in money is essential and necessary for you to be putting your money in stocks. Discuss it with your investment advisor, discuss it with your CA, make a whole plan and a report card as to the financial figures you should be looking at before putting in your money. In addition, please go through the director's report or the board's report thoroughly before you put in the money. It will give you an idea on an annual basis on where the management of the company plans on investing surplus funds, how they're doing in comparison to the industry that they're in, and what new avenues that the management is looking at operating in and investing their money in. Take an informed decision.